Hey guys, it's Spencer. You're riding with Smedley Plumbing today. See what it's like in the life of a plumber.
Water is coming up around the seal.
I kind of smelled it and I thought it was sewer.
When I Googled it, it says there's a class action suit.
It stinks like crap in there.
All right, I'll try to cope.
She's got piles of stuff.
What is this for? YouTube videos or Facebook stuff? Hello, good morning.
It is a disaster zone in here right now. So we were getting water in this area here where the floor would just squish, and discovered this little gem. It's very clear water is coming up around this seal. We were afraid it was coming down the wall. It's not. It's literally coming up from whatever this is.
So customers was concerned about some water coming up through the basement floor and a patch job. Funny looking patch job, we don't know what it was.
I hope it's enough room for you to work. Our sump pump that was installed the year before we moved in.
Okay.
It is dry.
The sump pump pit is on the other end of the house, so it's possible that the water isn't making it to the pit. A lot of times in these homes, customers have 2 or 3 different sump pump pits at different areas of the basement. You do have a big patio out here and deck, so we could probably run something up and out and tuck it in front of this step here, real close to it, to get the discharge line across the patio and then dump the water into the flower garden there. It won't look bad at all and get the job done. To do everything I'm suggesting here with the pit and the discharge line and a little bit of corrugated here, we're probably looking at around $8,000 for it. So she didn't make a decision on moving forward with the work today. As you can imagine, it's a pretty pricey project. Like any smart couple, you're not gonna make a decision like that without your spouse.
Hello?
Good morning, is this Melissa?
This is?
I'm available to head your way if you're ready.
That's perfect.
All right, we got some backup in the basement.
Take my seatbelt off first.
Yeah, that'll make it a little tough to get out. Grab a business card. Been getting a little water in the basement though, huh?
Yeah, I don't know for sure. I kind of smelled it and I thought it was sewer.
When you read the notes and you're heading to a home, you don't know what that means. It could be a main line clog from the house to the city. It could be clog where the kitchen and floor drain tie in together before they reach the main. So when you get to the home, you have to do some tests and run water from some different locations and see if you get any additional backup.
That's over here.
I'm not seeing any movement. Running some water. You got to test all the drains. In this situation, it looks like the only thing that's clogged is the floor drain.
Just this.
Yeah, so it's just condensation. Got to figure out how I'm gonna do this without getting too wet. Very often plumbers take more than 1 shower or bath a day. I got a feeling I really need something more than what I got. This thing's probably screwed down. It's been concreted in. I'm gonna need to get something that I can set down here so I can kneel down. I'll probably have to take a hammer and chisel. And I'm figuring out how I can do this without getting too wet. See how many trips we can make back and forth to the van today. Burn those calories. Oh, there's a screw there.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Cheryl?
Yes, it is. We're gonna get this taken care of today.
Yeah, that's the plan.
I'll see you when you get here then.
All right, see you soon.
Okay.
I had more. I had a couple trees taken down.
Did ya? I put a new toilet in for this lady and she's having some trouble with it, so we gotta fix it up. I have another customer that's had some issues too with them.
Well, every once in a while you get it done, get some shows.
Yeah, there might be some kind of a design flaw and they may have parts that have corrected the issue.
Yeah.
I just have to figure out if that's the case and if they're...
Well, it's $200 worth water that is increased.
Yeah.
you know, and so, you know, it just keeps going up each month.
These seals are a little tricky to get on.
I'm not gonna lie to you, we do carry the canisters, we sell them quite a bit, but nobody really making the comment of having to replace them so often, I guess you could say.
Hey, Mitch. Oh, I'm having some trouble with some American Standard toilets. I thought it was time to give you a call, see if you know anything.
We have to just look at it like, no, the manufacturer needs to stay behind the product.
Yeah. I feel myself just deteriorating right now.
Your call is important to us. Please remain on the line, and we will be with you as soon as possible.
This is gonna be one of them days where we're on hold a bunch.
And I can definitely understand the concern, especially with replacing buying a bunch of products.
I think you've had a history with this. When I Googled it, it says there's a class action suit about premature failure with with these Champion toilets. Okie dokie, ma'am. So I contacted American Standard. They have some different seals that they're gonna send out. Sometimes these new products either have design flaws or you get a fluky part that has issues and you have to replace it, or they realize they have design flaws and they build a new product for replacement that's got some minor changes. All right, are you guys ready for your treats? Huh? You want a cookie? It's all yours. Here, buddy. Oh.
I'll just screenshot it in the video.
Here, we get a picture. Here's a puppy. Hey, how you doing?
So just to prepare you,
This is Austin. He's getting a little footage of me today for our Facebook.
I don't know if you want to do it here. So she has dementia, and it stinks like crap in there.
I've been doing this for 24 years, and when I get customers that are seniors, it's always good to get family members involved.
And she'll repeat things to you. She remembers everything from 20 years ago.
Short-term memory stuff.
No, it's gone in like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
I mean, it's bad. Just be prepared.
All right, I'll try to cope.
She's got piles of stuff. She's had mice in here. This one right here.
Okay. Yeah, I see all the mess here, so.
You can kick anything.
All right. Move this over here. Yeah, we got some mice turds. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be right up there at that subfloor, probably. But I also need to look and see if we have any water in the cabinets and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So that'll need to be addressed.
Cleaned out underneath there.
Okay.
We'll look at it. Now,
There's already signs of mold on that sheetrock. So if they just need to cut out a little sheetrock and put some fans in there, that might be all it would need.
okay.
Yeah, I'll look at it and I'll just give you one flat price for everything. That'll save you so you're not getting.
It's not leaking right now, but it has been.
It's probably original to the home, and
It is.
I'm sure it is.
I was telling him I'm glad that you're here though, because we try to be careful with senior customers, because you sell someone some work and then after we're done and we've collected and the daughter or son comes over and they're like, how much did you pay?
Like she was doing stuff that I didn't know about. It could be one of those things. And now I control everything.
So hopefully you enjoy my videos and the videos of the other guys. They're not quite as handsome as I am, but you might learn something from them.